Alright, so I ordered this off of Amazon with the hopes to use one of the larger sizes for installing a hitch that had a busted off nut in the frame of the vehicle. So when I got this tool, opened it up, looks great. Everything's awesome, really clean, nice and organized. I like the way this whole case is all set up. Everything's got its place. However, what I found out, and like I said, my hope was to use one of these larger sizes, says it has the M12. It also says it has 1/2 13s, which it does have the 1/2 13s. However, it does not have any M12s. Says here it's supposed to be in this spot. In its place are these much smaller rivet nuts. So no M12s. It's got a whole bunch of these. These here are the same size, I believe. I haven't checked them yet, but I ended up having to use the 1/2 inch 13s, which is fine. They're more common, able to come across those, but really would be nice if I had everything that came with the set. It does have the M12 does have the piece here for installation of those M12s. That's right there, but it is missing the actual rivet nuts itself.